Hello. I am letting my imaginary friend rate my fidgets. Yes, good. Yeah. So E, cute, amazing. Let's see how she likes it. Yeah. Excuse me, are you trying to steal my poppet? Give it back, give it. Excuse me, she's trying to take my poppet. Excuse me, you weren't supposed to do that. You're supposed to rate it, not take it. Okay, so next up is my infinity cube. I hope she likes this one, cause, uh, oh no, she's taking it again. She keeps taking these. Well, I hope she won't take my mochi. I mean, who needs mochi? It's just species. She wouldn't steal that, right? She's taking it again. Give me back. So that was kind of a fail. She didn't rate them, she just took them from me. And I obviously have all of these, so should I make maybe a part 2 if you like it? Bye.